Where do you work? Is YouTube your work? Well, these are the questions many of you have been asking. In fact, I have already given what is my professional work in each description of almost all the videos. But then I guess some of you don't read the description at all. So here it is. What you just saw was the preview of website of my professional work. As I specialize in candid photography, portraits, portfolios. That is what I do. And no, YouTube is not a profession for me. And this channel happens to be only my hobby channel. So do support me like how you are supporting me with regarding to YouTube. I'll also give link to the Facebook page as of now. Website will be launched soon. So check out the page. If you like it, do like it and share a word with your friends and family. Also, some of you have been asking if I can go to some place or something. I appreciate that you people want me to take videos in different locations, but then do please understand that I do have commitments, professional work, which means I'll not be able to go out every time. I'll try my best, I'll plan my schedules. Hopefully I can do what you people want. Two people were asking me to come to their locations. I don't know when that will happen, but I will definitely update my travel plans in future from now on. Which means if I'm coming near a place, we will definitely meet. Coming to today's video, it's all about meeting fellow rail lovers. It was a day with a lot of twists. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. Well, that was a perfect start to the day. Getting to capture loco, which is from north, that to far north, Lucknow, was really special. And yeah, that was kind of lucky as well, to be honest, because unsecured passenger came from other side. I thought we'll be missing Lucknow. Yeah, and signal was danger, which meant I'll not be missing it. And yeah, once again, thanks to Jayan from India for informing it about the link. And it's also a big day. I'm gonna meet few of you, fellow rail lovers. Hopefully, it will be something special. Well, initially I thought of uploading this off-link video along with the vlog, but then I feel this is special, so it deserves a separate upload. So it'll be coming out before you see this one. Now, and time is around 3:30. Hopefully I'll make it by 4 to by 5. But then first we have to move out from here. Time is already 3:45. We are starting just now. Should have taken the metro. That's enough of Bangalore traffic for the day. Luckily I'm near a metro station, so I'll be taking the metro itself. I should have actually done this in the first place. It's already 4:15. Need to wait for 9 more minutes before the next metro.
realized the rake which we saw when we entered the station was from the green line. Due to shortage of rakes, they are using the green line rakes as well. And this happens to be the purple line. And here is my train. And it's pretty crowded, but since it's nearby, I can manage. Time is 4:45 and I've reached the station. I just hope people, if they have come, have not gone because I've been late. On city Kodi. The first person, Aditya. Even he is a YouTuber and is very popular with compilation of journeys. Yeah, telling the truth.
Oh, yeah.
Do check out his channel. People have been waiting from long time, so he's one more. Karthik. Yeah.
Hi, this is Sambanan.
Thanks to them actually, they have been waiting from 3:30 it seems. Marikuppam train two more people, Varun and Arijat. 12008 Shatabdi is making its way. Yes, all are ready. That was a nice blast. He's actually running late, otherwise I would have missed it. Memo rake is overtaking another memo rake. This actually looks like a regular affair now. And guess what? Demo rake is making its way from the other end. குப்பம் ரேக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். கிருஷ்ணராஜபுரம் குப்பம் ரேக் இருக்கணும்.
இதுவா? excitement of a train journey.
சொல்ல முடியாது டோல் ஆழம் அடிக்கடி ஆமாம் இது திடீர்னு இங்கே கம்மியாக தானே இருக்குது கோச்சஸ் அதுக்கு திடீர்னு மாற்றி விட்டாங்க M4 வந்துட்டு இருந்தது
9 ஸ்லீப்பரு ஒரு 3 ஏசி 2 ஏசி அப்புறம் 3 ஜென்ரல் 2
M4 வந்துட்டு இருந்த வண்டிக்கு பீஸ் வந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்போ எவ்வளோ வண்டி எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஆட் பண்ணிடுறாங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் டு ஆல் திஸ் லவ்லி பீப்புள் ஃபார் டேக்கிங் த டைம் அவுட் டு மீட் மீ. And before closing time, I want to, these two people also have YouTube channels, so I will have them say their channel names.
Varun Niranjan. I am Anjit. You can visit my YouTube channel.
Pronounce your name.
ARIJIT PARTHAN.
You can check them also, and also Aditya. I guess many of you might be already knowing him. Anyway, I'll be giving link to all these 3 channels in the description below. Do check it out. And it's time for us to leave. Few will be taking metro and I'll be taking the Arakonam passenger back home. P1 na?
P1
41. It's actually nalla livery la irundhu. Arakonam passenger, I'll be boarding this train. Even Karthik is having his channel, and here he is.
Karthi, KARTHI 98 numbers.
I'll also give a link to his channel in the description below.